Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well and I'm always amazing. So my name is Yash and I'm a graphic designer. So we have learned enough of tools so far and from today onwards I would be unfolding some of my amazing graphic designs so that you can learn better. I honestly think that learning tool is okay, but learning how to design is most important part. So would be focusing from now onwards majorly on how to design different stuff, and I would try to bring every week a new video of unfolding some of my designs or unfolding one of my designs every week, and there will be a video. So make sure to watch video will to the till end, and from today onwards, we would be starting with very simple one, but the concept part is amazing. So you will love the video. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So now let's move to my screen so that I can show you how you can design some amazing stuff. So yeah, let's move to my screen. So guys, we are here at my screen now, and I would be unfolding uh this I would be unfolding this design today, and this is very simple, very easy. And for the concept, I have to just scroll on Pinterest and I got an idea from there, and yeah, I was good to go. So how to research for design, I have already made a video. I would give the link in the I button, you can check that out, or I would also give the link in the description so you can check that out. But from now onwards we would be focusing on this one. So the main stuff on the image is like there is a can. This is an image, this is also a image, and this is also an image. So let's start from let's say, okay, let me hide all the things. Yep, now I've hide all the things. First of all, first step which I did, which was I import this scan. I just downloaded this scan from internet. You can also download the png file, so it will be available on internet. It is available on internet. So the first step is to import this image and then to place it accordingly. So yeah, I placed it here, and the next step was to give a color to the background according to the can. So I selected the can and give the color to the background according to the can. I give this red color to the background, and the next step was to search a power button. And yep, I searched this button, and this was like just okay, this power button was like this, black in color. I found the image on the internet. You can just simply search power button image png file and you will find it on internet, and it is very easy, you can find it out. And I find this one, and then I accordingly place and scale just like I did it with can. Scale the image accordingly, place it accordingly, and I applied layer mask. I mask this option. You can also erase, but for I masked it out so that I did not lose the main image. I did it non-destructively. So yeah, you can do it like that, or you can also erase this one. You can add a layer mask, and then I adjusted it according to the can, and I added a color overlay effect. You can simply go to effects from here, and here are different effects. I added a color overlay, and I chose the color which was on the can. So I chose this one and added a cover color overlay. So yeah, you can also add according to the can a color overlay. And when I also imported the can, I forgot this step. I added some levels. Okay, this is without levels, and this is with levels. So I made the image a little crispier according to the background. So yeah, I added a levels, and I so far we are done till here. And then I added a Coca-Cola symbol, and it was red in color basically. And I give it a color overlay, same color as to the power button, which color was given to the power button, and added a text just like Coca-Cola power on to make the post more conveying the message. If you drink Coca-Cola, energy is on, power is on. It is just like I want to convey some message according to that. And simply then I added this. I took the brush tool and go to this layer. I place this layer above this red layer, and just scale this thing. Just scale the brush and bring the hardness to 0. And it was like, let me hide this one and make a new one for you. And just took a color from here. I did not took red, but I wanted a lighter shade, so I pick orange. Okay, so pick somewhere between this, somewhere according like this color. I pick this one and just add this thing. And for now, this is looking very weird. So you can just play with the opacity. Okay, bring it down and bring it according to yourself. So this was the original one, and I added this one. Now maybe color might be some different, but both are looking good. Okay, this one is little sharp. We can reduce opacity to some more extent. And yeah, we have got an amazing post, an amazing idea. If you want to go for ideas, I've already made a video. You can check that out in the description. Link I will provide in the description or the I button. Okay, I've already provided in the I button at starting. So yeah, that's it all for today's video. From now onwards, I would be trying to do some more design unfolding, some more my graphic design unfolding every week. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe also. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.